Hello friends. Today I'm going to show you how to properly use the drop function in Excel, like a pro, even if you're just starting out. Okay, let's go. Let's break it down. The drop function is a super handy Excel formula that lets you remove unwanted rows or columns from your data without deleting anything permanently. Think of it like a filter, but smarter and formula-based. Here's the formula syntax. Array, the range of cells you're working with. Rows, how many rows to remove from the top. Columns, how many columns to remove from the left. Let's say you're managing a product delivery sheet just like this one. Now imagine you want to quickly view only the order date, and delivery status. No need to manually delete columns. This is where the drop function shines. Want to remove just the first row of headers? Type this formula. Here, A1 to E9 is our dataset. 1 means drop the first row. 0 means keep all columns. Press enter. Boom. Header gone. Now you're looking at clean, raw data. What if you're only interested in dates and delivery status? You don't need product names or customer names. Just update the formula. This will remove 2 columns from the left. Finally, press enter. Done. Let's get fancy. Suppose you want to remove both the top row and first 2 columns. Again, update this formula. It removes the first row and first 2 columns. Press enter. Super clean, right? Drop function is dynamic. If you update your original data, it updates automatically. It's safe because your source data stays untouched. It's perfect for dashboards, summaries, or preparing data for PivotTables. So next time you want to clean up data without touching your original table, drop it like a pro. If you learned something new today, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more tips. Drop your favorite Excel function in the comments below. Thanks for watching.